and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is CrissyBEA, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my video. Yes, I'm wearing my dressing gown like your girl is tired. Your girl just finished doing this makeup look for her Instagram, which you can, just check it out over here. But it's like nearly 9 o'clock. I'm not gonna dress up, so you're just gonna have to deal with me being in my dressing gown for the moment. But we're back with another PR unboxing. Revolution, what you got for me this month? Like, what have you got me? I'm assuming, well, I say I'm assuming, I've already opened the box. Like, what did you want from me? I was gonna open the box anyways, but I've already seen some of the items that I got. But of course, it's October, so some of it is gonna be Halloween themed. So if you want to find out what I got on my PR package this month, make sure you carry on watching. The big massive box is literally here. As you can see, there's many goodies, and we're gonna go through every single one of them. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because my station area is looking a bit cluttered. I need to move some stuff. Okay, I've got the box in front of me. I'm gonna go through stuff. I see a lot of stuff. So I see some Halloween stuff. I see eyelashes. So Revolution has released some new eyelashes. Well, not some new. This is the first time they've released some eyelashes. So they've got individual eyelashes and then strip eyelashes. But we're gonna go through all of that. So the first thing I'm gonna pick up is let's go through eyelashes because they're all actually all on top from like, no, they are. We're just gonna, because they're not wrapped in section like my previous ones, so I'm just gonna pick up a few lashes that I can see. We're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna show it to you guys, and yeah, pretty much. So we've got lashes, as you can see. So we've got this 5-pack feather wispy lashes. I love wispy lashes, so the fact that I got five pairs of them, your girl's gonna have a good time. Like, your girl's gonna have a good time. So that's how they look. They look really nice and everything. They look quite natural, which I like. So can't wait to try those out. And then we've got 3 different pairs here from what I can see. So we've got another wispy lashes. This is number 7 Fantasy natural wispy lashes. That's what they're called. Glue is included in this one, and the 5-pack, I don't think glue is included in that. No, there's no glue in the 5-pack ones, but in the single packs there's definitely glue included. So you've got the wispy ones, which look like that, and then you've got natural lashes number 1 Secret natural wispy effect with a clear band, which looks like, oh, I don't know, like that. Like, this one's very natural. I don't know if I'd ever wear this, but try it out. Could come up with a creative look that I might need them, or I could probably use them underneath my eyes for a creative look, but we'll see. And then you got volume lashes number 10 Tangle. Oh, these ones are cute, and it's still a natural wispy lash as well. So as you can see, like I said, all these individual ones include glue. And then they also do individual lashes. As you can see, this is called number 1 individual lashes, so I feel like they might have more options. So yeah, these will be good for makeup looks, which is quite good. So very excited to try those out. Next thing is serums. Are these all serums? So I got 3 different type of serums here. I got the 3% vitamin C serum, which is amazing. If you're looking for something, if you got like black marks, or you need your skin brightening, vitamin C is the best thing to try. So I'm very excited about that because I've actually run out of my vitamin C serum, so I'm very excited about that. And then I've got the CBD Super Serum, Super Strength formula for dry skin, so it's moisturizing and it helps soothe and calm dry skin, which looks like this. Can't wait to try that one out. And then, oh, we got retinol. I needed retinol in my life, which actually I'm quite happy I got this retinol because I've been using retinol for the last 2 months or so, and my skin has definitely cleared up. But I've noticed now that because I've run out, now that I've stopped using it, I've been like breaking out loads over here, like my skin is going crazy. But with retinol, I started off with 0.2%. This is 0.5. So the fact that I've got the next step up, I'm excited. Like, I'm excited. But this one's got retinol with rose hip seed oil. So it's super strength, so conditioning and fine line serum. So I can't wait to try it out. Woo! I think these are face masks. Well, I've got one face mask so far. So Jake Jamie released some more masks, of course Halloween themed. Why wouldn't you? And this one is called Toffee Apple. Yeah, Toffee Apple face mask, which looks like this. I'm assuming it will smell like toffee apple. Not gonna lie, I love the watermelon one. The watermelon's probably my favorite, and it feels like it gives, like, when you put it onto the skin, it feels like a heating sensation. But yeah, I love it. And then I've also got a mattifying boost cream. So yeah, mattifying boost cream. So because in my first package I got a hydration boost cream, this one's mattifying, so I'm gonna try those out as well. And then what is this? Oh, they also gave me a false lash glue, which is nice. You need to try that out. I'm very particular when it comes to lash glue, just because I've got really curly lashes, so I need really strong glue to make sure that those lash strips like stay put, because if not, they're gonna be lifting up, going, like, literally going their own way, and I'm like, can you not? Okay, so I got some more. They sent me some sponges, which is quite nice because I actually do like Revolution's blending sponge. This one's quite cool. So it's got a flat edge on one side, and then you've got like a whole one. So it's a foundation and setting sponge. So I'm assuming the round one is for foundation, and then the flat one is for setting sponge. But I do like the sponges. I need to put the because the sponge that I've got, I've had it for a while, like a long time, so I need to chuck that in the bin and I'll start using this. But to be honest, I like my Juno & Co one that I've been using, so I'll just alternate. Okay, it's all cool. Then next I've got this, what is this? It's by Heart Revolution, of course. This is I See You. Oh, it's a highlighter. Oh, and it's got like, it's like a stress ball type of texture. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Open it, it looks like that. It's like all squidgy and everything. And then the highlight. Okay, so it's more like on the pink side and everything. So this will be like, I don't think I would use this as my everyday highlighter. I'll have to try it out, but that's cute. That's cute. And then we've got a FX white base face paint, which that's gonna come so in handy for my Halloween looks that I've been creating and everything on Instagram. It's quite funny because literally the day before this package got sent to me, I literally went looking for white paint because I've run out, and then I was like, I'll just buy the cheapest one I could find. Boom, next day this comes along and I'm like, great, should have just waited one more day, just one more day, but no. Got this slime eyeshadow palette by iHeart Revolution. I just loved it. I love the iHeart Revolution palette design. Literally one day I'm gonna have a wall feature of these. Literally I'm gonna, like, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. We got more face paint. I'm so happy. I am so happy. So we've got the Ultimate Face Paint palette by Revolution. So the palette looks like that, and inside of the palette looks like that. So literally all the colours that you could need for any face paint that you need to do on everything for Halloween, pretty much. And we've got some Halloween themed lipsticks from iHeart Revolution. The first lipstick that we've got is a vinyl liquid lipstick in the colour Nightmare, which is the black one. And then we've got the matte liquid lipstick in the colour Bewitched, which is like a pinky nude. And then we've got another vinyl liquid lipstick in the shade Haunted, which is like a red. So I feel like those are like the typical base colors that you could use for lips when it comes to Halloween. So it's quite perfect. And the thing is, you can mix and match with these two. Like you can do like a black outline and then a nude middle or a red middle, so it works out perfect and everything. And then I've got Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer, Shine Free Makeup Base. Oh, so another primer to try out. This one seems more liquidy. Can't wait to try that out and everything. And then I've got this. I know the Revolution released some new eyeshadow palettes and mascara and everything. So this palette is called Chilled with Cabanet Satvia. I think that's how you say it. So the palette looks like that. I think the packaging looks like cool. But then there's also a mascara to go with it, which is called Blowout High Volume Mascara with Cannabis Satvia. I think that's how you say it. Not actually really sure. But let me take out the palette. So the outside of the palette looks like that. And then, oh, these colors are beautiful. Oh my god, look at these colors. Can we appreciate, please? Oh my days, like I love that color. I love this silver. I love all the glitters basically. And you do have like some neutral colors that you can use and everything as an everyday look, and then spice it up with the glitters and stuff like that. Oh, I can't. They also gave her a lip balm, so Good Vibe lip balm, which, yeah, looks like that. So it's like a little cute collection and everything. Also sent me another eyeshadow from Revolution Pro. This is called the Regeneration Legendary. So it looks like this. So the colors look beautiful. Like I really like that color. Like I wonder how that one would look when you swatch it and everything. So they have like some purples, some like oranges, and then yeah, some really nice colors there to mix with and play with. I Heart Revolution because I don't think they had this before, but they released some baking powder. Yeah, baking powder and also some primers. So they sent me, they had quite a few, but they sent me chocolate banana baking powder, which looks like this, and coconut baking powder. So I wonder if these, like, what shades these are, because I don't know if they're like, I can't remember if they're like tinted or if it's just like translucent and everything. Okay, so this is more like a banana colored, like a yellow colored and everything, which is quite nice. And I feel like the coconut might be like translucent, and I'm assuming it smells like the banana chocolate smells like banana chocolate and the coconut smells like coconut. Yeah, the coconut one is more translucent, which is quite nice. So I have like two options, like if I wanted to try either one, which is quite cool. Also sent me a primer, which is a radiance primer with vitamin C and E, and this one is called Banana Split, which looks like that. Of course it's gonna smell like banana split. I got a CICA tonic, Calming tonic, which is great because I've actually needed like a toner because I've run out. So the fact that I got this is great. So this has got green tea extract, so it's gonna be like calming to the skin and everything, so I can't wait to try that out. I got some more eyeshadow palettes from I Heart Revolution. So I've got a what is this one, Get Poppin' eyeshadow palette, which looks like that. It's like a popcorn one. And then I've got Super Smoothie, which looks like that, like a Starbucks version kind of a thing. And then I've got Extra Sauce, which is like a hot dog eyeshadow palette. So I got 3 different eyeshadow palettes and everything, which I'm very excited to try. Oh, Revolution did a collaboration with a makeup artist, which I can't remember her name, but basically she released this, and you have like powders and blushes on one side, and then you have like different eyeshadow colors, like for eye color looks, bright colors, but then also you have lips. So pretty much, yeah, if you were traveling and you needed something that had everything in it, this is probably gonna be your go-to thing. So I'm gonna see if I can open it so you guys can see it. So the palette looks like this, which I think looks slick. It looks very nice, kind of a thing. And then when you open it, that's how it looks on the inside. So basically you've got your powders on top, which is like your you got a highlighter, then you got like, is it a highlighter? It looks like a highlighter. So you have a highlighter, then I think you have 2 highlighters on top, I think, don't quote me. And then you have, it says contour here and bronze there. And then you have 4 different blushes, which is quite nice because I need different type of blushes. Like I would not be able to wear these 2 unless I was doing a makeup look for like Instagram, like a dramatic makeup look. But if I wanted something more natural, I'd probably go for these. And then you have like iconic shadow pigments, like that you can use as your staple, like your standing out piece and everything. And then you have some bright colors, that you can use as your base and everything like that. But then also you got a section for your lips, which is quite cool. So you literally got everything that you could need in this palette, so you don't have to take everything with you, which is quite nice. So it's quite good for like traveling and everything, which I think. And the last shadow makeup product is I got the collaboration with Alexis Stone product. But Revolution did a whole thing where they made it seem like they got hacked and everything, and they ended up putting this post of this like scared cat thing saying hi. Literally, I remember when I woke up, I was like, bruh, Revolution actually got hacked. Oh my gosh, yeah. Literally throughout the whole day they were like, oh, we're so sorry, we're trying to get a hold of this. Like someone gave out the password to the account, blah blah blah. So literally everyone's going insane, like, oh, what's happening, blah blah blah. And then it turns out that the reason, like, they weren't hacked or anything, it was just a promotion for Alexis Stone collaboration. So basically it's called Trust Your Instinct, which I think is so good. So basically you get two palettes. You get the Instinct palette and then you get the Transformation palette. So basically I'll just show you guys how the Instinct looks like, which I think is quite cool. So it looks like that, and then if you open the palette, and then it looks like that. Literally it's like the rainbow kind of a thing. So you got every color that you can use. These are all matte colors, so basically you got your bright colors and then it kind of like goes a bit darker, neutral and everything, which is quite cool. So you got a bit of everything if you wanted to create a look with that. But then for the transformation palette, you get about 7 shadows, and basically these are all like shimmery glitters that you can use on top of your makeup look that you've created using this palette. So this kind of just gives it a top half and everything, so you can have just a basic look, but then you can transform it with these shadows on top. So I think this was such a cool concept and everything. I really enjoyed the promotion and I can't wait to try out the product. So I'm very excited about that. I'll definitely be like, you'll be seeing a lot of looks using these products on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because that's where I do all my crazy makeup looks or anything like that. If there is anything specifically you want to see on my YouTube to do with makeup, let me know in the comments, in the comment section and everything like that. And then the last thing in the box is literally a traveling bag, which is very cute. It's an avocado see-through makeup bag, which I think is really good for traveling and everything like that. I actually been needing a new one, so I'm quite glad that this was in the box and everything. So okay guys, so that is pretty much it. I'm so excited about all the products that I got. I can't wait to try them out. Like I always say, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please give a girl a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every single time I post. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!